I cooked for 20 people with one appliance students. This changes everything. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive in, this video isn't sponsored, but I've got affiliate links in the description that help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Chapters are down there too, so you never lose the thread. Today, I'm showing you the Ninja PossibleCooker PRO that literally replaced 14 of my kitchen appliances. This 8.5 quart beast uses something called triple fusion heat technology. It cooks 30% faster than regular ovens by combining bottom side and steam heat. I can sear steaks, slow cook chili, steam vegetables, even bake bread all in the same pot. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze. And get this, the pot goes straight into a 500-degree oven. For busy students or anyone with limited kitchen space, this is a game changer. Links are in the description below. And if this helped you out, smash that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more kitchen game changers. Trust me, your future self will thank you. It replaces Cator's tools: slow cooker, steam oven, food warmer, non-stick pot, sauté pan, cast iron skillet, saucier, steamer, saucepan, stock pot, Dutch oven, roasting pan, bread maker, and yes, the utensil. And you get 8 cooking functions: slow cook, sear, sauté, steam, keep warm, sous vide, braise, bake, and proof. Sear in the pot, deglaze, then braise without juggling pans. Finish in the oven for that golden bubbly top. Feeding a crowd? 8.5 quarts means chili for up to 20, 9 pounds of spaghetti and meatballs, or 30 pulled pork sliders. The integrated spoon doubles as a ladle and pasta fork and parks neatly in the lid, no messy countertops. What is Ninja Triple Fusion Heat? Bottom elements sear like a skillet for fast mired magic. Side heat wraps your food, preventing cold spots and uneven stews. Steam adds gentle power, so proteins stay juicy and veggies stay vibrant. If you're hunting the best deal on NinjaPossibleCooker PRO or where to buy the Ninja MC1001 in sea salt gray online, hit the description. I keep links, coupons, and discounts updated. Cleanup. Non-stick wipes clean in seconds. Hand wash the pot to extend life. The glass lid and utensil are dishwasher safe. It's free of PFOA, cadmium, and lead. Kitchen peace of mind. Enjoying the pace? Tap like so more food lovers find this review. Chapters are in the description if you're jumping between features, reviews, and deals. Busy professionals, this turns 60-minute dinners into 25. Sear, simmer, serve. Batch cook on Sunday. Eat smart all week, fewer dishes, more flavor. Sous vide for silky salmon, then finish right in the same pot. Proof and bake for bakery-level loaves without a separate oven routine. Ninja PossibleCooker PRO is my non-stick multi-cooker solution for easy cleanup weeknight dinners and big family meals alike. A pot that hums like a poem, less clutter, more comfort, and dinners that actually make you pause and smile. I've linked the official page and top online deals below. Check price, shipping, and any coupons before you buy. Ninja 8-in-1 versus a regular slow cooker. Both simmer, but Ninja sears, steams, proofs, bakes, and finishes in the oven. Huge versatility jump. Triple fusion heat is the difference, not just hot walls, but bottom and steam working together. One purchase replacing a shelf of gear often beats piecemeal upgrades, especially in small kitchens. Real users rave about design, accurate heat and timers, easy cleanup, and the oven-safe pot. Many call it their favorite slow cooker ever. Top advantages: 1. Replaces 14 tools to declutter. 2. Triple fusion heat cooks up to 30% faster. 3. Big 8.5 QT capacity for entertaining. Non-stick ease, plus dishwasher-safe lid and utensil. 2 drawbacks. 1. The pot is best hand washed to preserve coating. 2. It's not tiny, measure your counter and cabinet space. Still with me? Comment your favorite one-pot meal. I read them all. Best deal on Ninja PossibleCooker PRO? I track current prices and discounts in the description. Amazon, the official store, and top retailers. Watch for free shipping thresholds, delivery windows, and region surcharges on official channels. Links below. Keep it simple. If a coupon drops, I'll pin it in the comments and update the links. This is the Ninja MC1001 PossibleCooker PRO in sea salt gray. The Pro adds steam, sous vide, bake, and proof over the base model. Perfect for busy professionals needing fast meals, non-stick cleanup for weeknight dinners, and big batch cooks for large family meals. That 8.5 quart capacity shines. Searchers, buy Ninja PossibleCooker PRO 8.5 quarts with triple fusion heat. Ninja PossibleCooker PRO reviews and pros and cons. Comparison versus other slow cookers. You're in the right place. From stovetop sizzle to Sunday supper hugs, this pot does the heavy lifting. You just bring the appetite. Grab yours via the links in the description. Using them supports the channel at no extra cost. Like if this helped, drop a question, and subscribe for more honest, unsponsored reviews. Remember, 14 tools replaced, faster cooking, oven finish, easier cleanup. That's real everyday value. I tried to fit 14 gadgets in one drawer. The drawer filed a complaint. One pot, problem solved. Links and chapters are below. Cook boldly, clean lightly, and I'll see you in the next one.